The color red often symbolizes power and passion, but the story behind its most vibrant historical source is truly fascinating. The color red often symbolizes power and passion, but the story behind its most vibrant historical source is truly fascinating. Deep within Mexico's nopales, cacti lives a tiny insect. This creature, Dactylopius coccus *, is famously known as cochineal. For centuries, it has produced an unparalleled crimson dye. Indigenous Mesoamerican cultures first discovered its potent pigment. They used this precious substance for textiles, art, and ceremonies. From humble insect came a color that changed world history. Its cultural impact stretched across continents and centuries. The Aztec and Maya empires held cochineal in high regard. It was a vital tribute item, paid by conquered regions. Tlaxcala and Tenochtitlan were major centers for cochineal trade. Vibrant red cloaks and murals adorned their powerful elites. This natural dye was more durable than any other known. Its rich hue resisted fading, unlike plant-based alternatives. When the Spanish arrived in the 16th century, they saw its value. Hernán Cortés quickly recognized cochineal's economic potential. New Spain established a lucrative global monopoly on its export. Europe eagerly embraced this red gold for its brilliant color. Insect became luxurious second only to crimson silver in colonial trade. Caravans transported dried insects across oceans to demand.
European royalty and nobility coveted its deep, luxurious crimson.
Queen Elizabeth I wore cochineal-dyed gowns with great pride. The British redcoats famously sported uniforms of cochineal scarlet. Artists like Velázquez and Rembrandt used it for their masterpieces. The intense red gave paintings unparalleled depth and vibrancy. Demand soared, making cochineal a cornerstone of global commerce. It fueled economies and inspired countless artistic creations. For over 3 centuries, cochineal ruled the world of red dyes. Then, in the mid-19th century, synthetic dyes emerged. Aniline dyes offered cheaper, mass-produced alternatives to cochineal. Its dominance waned significantly as industrial production grew. Many believed cochineal's story was nearing its end. However, concerns about synthetic chemicals grew over time. Consumers sought natural ingredients in food and cosmetics again. Today, cochineal is experiencing a remarkable resurgence. It is now labeled as carmine or natural red 4 by regulators. You can find it coloring yogurts, juices, and even lipsticks. Peru and Mexico remain leading producers of this ancient dye. Farmers still carefully cultivate the Dactylopius coccus insect. They continue a tradition spanning thousands of years. From tiny insect to global cultural icon, its journey inspires. This small creature profoundly shaped human art and commerce. Its enduring legacy reminds us of nature's hidden treasures. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.